seaside. That's better. It's a bit too. On the hottest day of the year and hottest day on record, what better than going to the seaside? And well, London seaside, not these Thames beach areas or whatever, but no, the actual sea. This is Southgate Road in London, bordering Hackney and Islington, and on this road is a quirky, random London eccentric kind of seaside. Let's show you what I'm on about. This way. About 20 years ago, the owner of this house turned a workshop slash garage into a granny flat and named it View Cottage. He then parked a dinghy here. Turns out he was a complete lover of the seaside, and everyone just thought he was crazy, weird, eccentric, and that was it. But then about 5 years after that, the person who owned this house decided to join in and make Postcards Cottage. Windows included. But that's not it. That's not all of it. Let's go this way. So then, next came Harbour View. The Harbour View has got a secret. Let's look around the side. There's also Tide's Reach. That's not all. Then these were built, extensions of the Tide's Reach house, and we have Starboard, and of course Portside Cottage. There's also Lighthouse Walk, of course, with its beer and gargoyle. Low Tide House, the last in our little selection of random seaside appropriate houses on London's Southgate Road. It's random, it's quirky, it's silly, it's fun. I've lived here in my life, and this is one of those things I really enjoy, the randomness of London. I hope you like this little whiz around the London seaside. And if you did, give it a thumbs up, leave comments down below. If you're not already and you like random things, click subscribe. Yeah, we're off to see if we can hire a deck chair. Bye.